Don't get the lens wet now.
How am I not to do that? Oh, jeez.
Okay. Let's see how deep it is. That is 10 inches. Can you get that on there? 10 inches. Okay, and it's only 1:30 on Wednesday.
The 28th of October.
And it's supposed to snow for
Another 24
6 p.m.
hours.
tomorrow.
Well,
okay, that's all.
10-4.
Bye, y'all. Okay, now it's 4:30, and as you can see, it's still snowing, and there's our picnic table, and I'm going to go out and measure the snow right now and see how deep it is now, about 3 hours later. Okay, you ready? Okay, here I go. Okay, now it is 13 inches.
Whoa.
Can you get that? So it's gone from 10 to 13 inches in 3 hours. Okay, that's all.
That's all.
I'm out of here.
Where are you?
I'm in the snow. Turn off the